Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that the radius of a circle is 15 cm. And so that is our green color, that's the radius, and it is here. Okay, OA will be our radius. If an arc APB which subtends an angle of 120 degrees, well, this means that there is this arc here, red color, and it is the angle at the center, O, is 120 degrees. Find this arc length. So this red color arc length, how then can we find this red color arc length, AVP, which is this? Well, now since we have 120 degrees, then 120 degrees over 360 degrees will give me the fraction or the proportion of this arc length out of the whole circumference. Okay, and therefore you will see Mr. Tan here having that 120 degrees dividing by 360 degrees times 2 pi r. Okay, that will give me 10 pi, and the three significant figure answer will be 31.4 cm. And we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.